not, this is overwhelming. Are you feeling that too? Is it just me or?
No, I already had, last, I was in every day I was in meeting and I was deciding, I still have test. So it's like, because we are still deciding what to do, the rules are not defined. This is why last week, like we were like, no, we are not going to proceed without you documenting the rules and telling us exactly what we need to do.
Yeah, I'll try to give a little bit of pushback in that Cap Light meeting today to like explain to whomever is PMing this that this is at risk. This is at risk. We don't have everything fully defined yet. If you're needing this by 1/1, we have a lot of other stuff that's also high priority in the pipeline that's immovable, that like we can only fit so much in.
Yeah, the thing is, even if we do it right, we need UAT also, right? If
exactly. Yeah, Heidi. I don't think Heidi has even been involved in this stuff yet, because how could she be? We don't have requirements defined.
Yeah. So, but for Caplight and Onco, again, it's PHX, so Heidi has to be involved for both. So, and then the downstream foreign case is different. But yeah, so I will have a story created for all this that we discussed, but I will be like for rules update, I need your help. I'll need your help.
I will do my best, Seema. You know I'm here for you, so I will.
Yeah. Is there anything else that we need to do in the next 2 weeks?
So no, that's all I'm aware of, and the looming thing for me is getting all the people to agree on what needs to be done for the availability enhancements, not only for November, but then also for December. Like there's a lot of rules that we have to figure out and write out so that your team can even suck them in. And
yeah, that's why I wanted to show you exactly what all we are doing. So that
thank you. I do appreciate that, Seema. That is helpful for me because I feel like in our Scrum of Scrum meetings, Caplight isn't even being talked about. Onco isn't being talked about. Like, what? Like, isn't that the purpose of the Scrum of Scrum? Is to lay all the stuff to bear so that we all know what's on.
That's the thing. That's the thing. Because we have so many, and also for me to justify what we are doing, right? Like we are being called in all these meetings. With vendor as well as business team and design, and then we also have a timeline for all the other stuff. So that's why. But we have a lot of work for next 3 months.
Yes, we do. I have to hop to another meeting.
Then I think that I wanted to ask, do you have any questions? I'm going to write down the stories for everything, but is there anything you want me to add that you're working on? Michelle, you can drop, Michelle.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Brett, Amar, Suraj, Vikas, Sunil.
Sorry, what was the question again?
Is there anything you want me to add for the next sprint? I have all the feature-based stuff that we will be working on.
That's for the next sprint or the next deployment?
Next
okay.
Sprint.
Hey Seema, add a story for me for network status 9x decisions change.
Here I have put one at here. Waiting patient. Did I do this? Oh, I did here. Okay. So I did network status decision change. Okay, I have here.
Okay, cool.
Gross has already done that. Okay. Is there anything else, Sunil, you want me to add for you?
So for inquiry change, who is going to work on that?
So inquiry, I will be working on the query. But so I'll be working on the query, but your MHK work, just MHK portion you can do.
Yeah. So
want me to add a story for that?
My question was like, we have two set of, like we have two rules which are executed right at patient event level and service type, service detail level, right? That there are two rules files. So the service detail rules, it executes like data holder or object which we send, right, to rules. It contains the correct case info as well as the service info, like, the service status type. For patient event, it picks up the values. If it's void, if there are two codes, right, so the first will always be voided. And we are expecting a different status, like different rule to run. Like say it is approved and status reason code is 749 and the status reason is say approved, right? Instead it runs for MHK the approved void and it shows the status as cancelled or something like that. So basically,
Seema, I'm dropping to join the meeting with Heather.
Please go. And so Sunil, so what I'll do is when I update the query, right, I will run some scenarios and show you what I've done and how at that time we can do and we can update.
Okay, so maybe I will need a story then. I think there was already a story, right? You had created.
No, for me, I have not for you.
Hey, Seema, I'll be also dropping off.
Okay.
It's
okay, sure, go ahead.
for me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so I'll add this one for Vikas and Hari. I will talk to Ravi. I am not connected with him today, but I'll connect with him today and I'll add stories for Vikas, Ashok, and Hari. All right. I think long meeting. I'm already getting anxious for next quarter. All right. Thank you all. Bye.